Hey guys, today we are on the Lumix G85 made by Panasonic. I think this is probably the best vlogging camera there is. I don't do a lot of vlogging myself, but if I did, this would be the camera that I use. It has pretty good stabilization, has good colors, just an overall a good camera. I will even use it at a reception at a wedding if I am getting ready to photograph a reception and I'm tired of carrying around the Canon R6. I can pick this up. It weighs almost nothing compared to the Canon R6. I also use it in my YouTube studio just to make regular videos, and also takes great pictures. It's just an all-around great camera. Now the one downfall is low light. It's a micro four thirds, so micro four thirds is not known for being good under low light, and that fits this camera as well. You can always put on a flash or switch to another camera if you're going to be under low light, but this camera is a great value at $300. The lenses aren't very expensive. It's just an all-around great camera. I use it a lot. I take it on vacations, and if I need something to just pick up and run, I usually grab this camera. It's just so lightweight, and you can carry a couple lenses and it still don't weigh that much. But anyway, that's my idea on this camera. If you guys are into vlogging, check it out. Let me know what you think. And hey, if we're helping you guys out, hit subscribe. Have a good day.